This is the Russian vessel, the Ivan Khurs. But what is she, where is she, and how is she, is questions that everyone's asking. Well, as for what she is, she's described as a Yury Ivanov-class intelligence gathering ship, i.e. a spy ship, named after some vice-admiral or other, part of the Russian Black Sea Fleet. At 95 metres long and weighing in over 4,000 tonnes, she was first launched in 2017 and commissioned the following year into the Black Sea Fleet, with a cruising speed of around 20 knots and a crew of 131. Armed with what described as 2 MTPU 14.5mm marine pedestal machine gun mounts, but I've counted at least 3. There seem to be 2 towards the stern, 1 either side, and at least 1 gun emplacement on the bow. These guns are good for 2 kilometres against lightly armoured surface vehicles and any air targets that are within range. Their only other defence is Igla surface-to-air missile systems with 32 missiles. Well, last Monday, 24th of May, we had an announcement from Russian Ministry of Defence spokesperson Igor Konashenkov that the Ivan Khurs had been attacked by 3 drone boats but had successfully defeated all 3, and produced the following video to prove his point. A lot of us thought it was unusual, to say the least, that the Russians released only 1 video of 1 of the 3 boats being destroyed, a number they later amended to 5. The following day they released this footage, purporting to show the Ivan Khurs coming in safe and sound, but this was immediately spotted as footage from 2 years ago. And then we got this stunning video from the Ukrainians from one of the drones in the attack, seeming to show it actually hitting the Ivan Khurs towards the stern of the port side. Well, if it did hit the ship, what sort of damage would it have done? Let's take a look. This unfortunate vessel is the USS Cole, damaged quite badly back in the year 2000 when a small boat pulled up alongside it and detonated and tore that huge hole in the side. And this one is the HMS Al Medina, part of the Saudi Navy, damaged in 2017 by a kamikaze drone boat. Now, the whole incident took place roughly down in this area of the Black Sea. How do we know that? Because several NATO and US reconnaissance aircraft paid particular attention to that particular area at that particular time. Well, the Twitter sphere and the Telegram channels were heaving with photographs purporting to show the Ivan Khurs coming into port, but they were a mixed bag. In many of the photographs, the Ivan Khurs didn't have its name painted on the side, as in this one. And before this incident, the only photos that I could find without the name painted on the side were from several years ago. Then on Friday the 26th, Ukraine released another blockbuster video, this one from one of the other drone boats, which seems to show at least 2 explosions taking place near the ship. I think this second explosion is probably the drone that the Russians destroyed in their original video, as it seems to occur a little way away from the ship. And so the question still remained, was she damaged, and if so, how badly? Well, the damage depends on what Ukraine fired at her. So what exactly does Ukraine have? Well, last November, Ukraine unveiled its latest breed of unmanned surface vessels. Exciting, but back to the Ivan Khurs. Saturday brought this telegram message saying that the Ivan Khurs hadn't sunk but had been hit by 2 of the drones, with casualties and fatalities on board. And then Saturday evening we received satellite imagery showing the Ivan Khurs docked in Sevastopol. So 2 questions remain. Was she damaged? And is that really the Ivan Khurs? Well, this looks like it, but it's not. This is the Ivan Khurs' sister vessel, the Yury Ivanov. How about this one? Yep, this one is a photo of the Ivan Khurs. Put them side by side, and can you tell the difference? The Russians so far haven't released any further videos or photographs to dispel the rumours that the Ivan Khurs has been damaged. But that fact alone would indicate that she was indeed damaged, but not sufficient to sink. I'll bring you more news as soon as I have it, so it might be a good idea to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss it. Well, that's all for now. If you thought the video was interesting, hit the like button. And check out my channel where there's over 200 Ukrainian related videos. Like I said, that's all for now, but I hope to see you again very soon.